Mark the plumber's here, look, putting pipes down. Tomorrow.
Oh!
Tomorrow we're going to be screeding, aren't
we? Yeah. You certainly are. You certainly are, Mark.
That's the machine, look, that puts the clips in. Clips go into it.
My friend.
And then it just shoves down like that, look. Pretty cool, really. And then it's just got a thin piece of polythene just to stop it reacting with the Kingspan. So underneath we've got 100mm Kingspan, and then we've got 100mm concrete, another layer of visqueen, and there's hardcore going downwards like that. And we've got some expansion upside, look, some foam. And then this machine here, you just plonk it on and it reels out. Yeah, it's got a load of metal in it, this pipe, so when you bend the pipe, it stays where it needs to be. Come through here, look, and then it all connects to this manifold. There's going to be a staircase there. All connects into there. I'm just sorting this out, look. It's a bit dark in here though. Just finishing these little bits, but yeah, all the plastering now is pretty much done. They're the cut throughs, so that gets cut through, that gets cut through. I just plastered these bits and boarded them. I've just got one board short there. This is aqua board for the shower tray there, so that'll all be done in aqua board and tiled. But yeah, that's what me and Mike did the other day. It's all dry, ready to paint. Right, we're on screed day today. Screed's coming soon, all pipes are down. It's chucking it down outside. So we might have to put gazebo over the screed to keep it dry, because we don't want it like water. We're just going to put these down instead of running. Normally you just put cement down and level it well after there, but because we've got floor pretty level, I can sort of just go on these edgings. Lads are just out there, screeds here. Josh and Tim are going to be barrowing it in all the way right back through here. Mark's going to be helping me screed, or I'm going to be helping Mark screed because it's his job. Looks very tight on the skip. I think he needs to move forward. Yeah, forward, mate. There we go. 2.5 cube. We're hoping that's going to do it. 5 cube it took for the 100mm. So, well, just less. About a 4.5 cube for 100mm. And then we've got 2.5 cube here for 50-60mm, so should be good. Put it there first so you can put a little line in. Yeah. Mark's here, look. Hey, screed day. I'm just going to level that bit because we're missing that bit there. No, I haven't brought the knee pads, which is annoying.
Alright, broski B, what's you like?
Alright, it's not bad. It's about perfect, really, I reckon.
That's it, alright.
I reckon she's about right.
Level anyway, can't we?
Lying naked on the floor. Yeah, alright with that, so yeah, so what we're doing, we're just packing it down. I've already done this, packed it down and then scrape the top a little bit and then just getting us rule it. I haven't done this for 20 years, so it is killing me. I think Mark's suffering, he's just come for a sarnie. And then pull it back. it's some serious graft, this screeding. Just shatters your heart. We're about halfway now. Mark's done some in there as well, so we've got a few big lumps as well, some of these. Yeah, you just fill your loads. Try not to gouge it up like I've just done.
Really? Oh, that's even more depressing. Thank you very much, Cynthia. Bless you. Morris McSparling has to say hello. Hello, Jeremy. Let's get back to social media. Some of the stuff on social is so horrific.
And then all we're doing is we just got a normal steel trowel.
It does have
and then just working that in. I think we're doing quite a decent job today. We haven't done it for so long, and it's getting tiled, is this, so it doesn't even have to be exactly perfect. There's no line or what going on it. It's tiled, but it looks pretty good to me. I'm just filling these holes in, but to be fair, I don't even know why I'm doing it, because when we tile it, we're putting a mat on it as well, so it's got down for mats on tiling. So these little holes will be filled with adhesive, so we don't have to go too crazy with it, but I am trying to fill whatever I can. And that's it. Repeat. Yeah, so Mark's been helping me on this one as well. I haven't been, what they call it, doing a lot on my own, and then he's nipped in there while I carry on with that. Tim's been shoveling. Josh has been barrowing. Oh, we're just having a minute because Mark's just gone for a sandwich for us all, so we're having his dinner now. We're on his dinner break. So this is how you normally do it. You just put your edges down, little eye at bottom, get it level, yeah, and then once that's packed down, then you can use that as your level and just screed back to that then, which is that's the way you're supposed to do it. But we had them little bits, didn't we, in that, so which give us a good hand. This we're not going to be able to because they're all over, so it's pointless. Might as well just do it traditional way. Mark's in here, cracking on with this lot.
We do actually. I don't know what people are on about. It's a fucking piece of piss.
Oh, if only. Well, it's 10 to 3, quarter to 3. We're nearly there, look, we're nearly there, but we've had to crack one up and just give us this little bit of energy to carry on. We should get there. If we've got enough, we might have a little bit of screed. We're under cupboard, we might have to leave out and fill another day. We ordered plenty, but seem to have crushed down a fair bit.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it might do it. We don't know yet. See all fibres, look. Mark's got fibres in it mixed, so it hodds it together a little bit more as well, which is pretty cool. Get a bit of Mark action. then your holes, look, you just bit in. There we go. Gone. That's it. She's done. Just a little bit wet there on the last bit because it's been raining that whole thingy, but that is it. Only problem is the lift's steady there, look. So batteries will run out batteries should run out before they go to bed, so hopefully it'll just cut off because it ain't plugged in. And Mark's lost his keys, we're trying to find them. We've been rushing them out that much all day. So we might have to, we'll send Josh across his lightest on a board.
It can't be. I must have put them somewhere.
So that is it.
Yeah, thank you.
Really impressed. I'm impressed with that, you, Mark.
Yeah, well, mate. Lot more hard work than I anticipated, but...
Oh yeah, definitely. It is hard work. I mean, you gotta have some respect for them guys that do it every day.
See it in 10 minutes, in a couple of days, you get
Yeah,
on it.
that's the problem. Yeah, we're gonna be tiling over this beautiful floor. So all the hard work filling all them holes in, you'll never see. But lovely that.
Yeah,
Lovely jubbly. Mark's off for his keys, he's ready! Way!
Make him go that way for radio.
Yeah, no, it's just radio to get Mark. Oh yeah. Oh look at that, I control that. Yeah, I'll troll that. Perfection.
Yeah. I was just getting flat bits down, upper bits down.
Yeah, just tapping it down with Kingspan. Ah yeah. Beautiful. Ah, look at all go home.
About time.
Josh has been pushing barrels all day.
Yeah, he's doing right well, yeah. Fucking
Absolutely
hell.
shattered. We're all shattered. All lot of us.
No, that's good.
We're out of here. So if you like this video, catch you in the next one. What are we doing? I've got a wall to do on the paving job that I did. So we are going to do that, and I'm doing a concrete job, but I've already started that, so whether I record that or not, I'm not sure. And then we're coming back and we're going to start boarding this and skimming downstairs. There's kitchens to fit, there's bathrooms to tile, floors to tile, loads of stuff on this build. But we're off for a couple of days, we're going to do a few little bits, so I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. That's it, make sure you subscribe, drop us a comment, hype, and I'll see you in the next one.